This is the thrust test for testing how much thrust we're going to get off of this quadcopter at top speed, max speed. So it's a special program written, just very simple. Just takes all 4 blades, ramps it up from 0 speed to top speed in about 12 seconds, and sits there for 10, and then ramps it back down again, and we'll keep cycling through to help us get a good reading. Now, this is going to be the test fixture itself. It's very interesting. This is a top from a spray paint can. The idea being that it's just the perfect size for the quadcopter. There are 4 screw holes here. So what we're going to do is cut a hole so the microduino can stick through it, and then attach this top through the holes. It's hard to see because they're all black. Once that hole's cut, then it'll put screws into that attachment, and it'll hold it upside down. Then this whole assembly will be put on a scale, and I can weigh it, and then I can also just zero the scale and let it run, and that will tell me what the thrust is pushing down on the scale. And it's being it's upside down, it's not going to fly away. Well, taking the top off a spray paint can and using a keyhole saw, nice little hole on it, makes a great stand, and push it through like that, and you can see that the holes, the holes where I marked them line up too, so I can go ahead and drill the holes and put the screws in and screw the holding stand on the quadcopter. Before doing the final assembly of the mounting thrust stand and the test, I've popped off the modules and put on the USB TTL module and downloading the code. It'll be hard to get the code loaded, and once I do the code, I'm going to do a test run before doing the mount. So we're just going to watch for the flashies here. There it goes. The screws that are being used to hold down the mounting bracket for doing the thrust test are screws that come with a 9G servo, just to give you an idea of the size of the screw. That's what I got them from, having a box full of 9Gs and also of the bigger servos. So that's what we're going to do to attach it. So we have a 0. The scale is zeroed out at 0 grams. Then, for the readings, I need 2 hands. Okay.